Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Harry Potter Hogwarts app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for Harry Potter Hogwarts app, just click on search. Then here at Hogwarts, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Harry Potter Hogwarts, it's going to show for you like this. You will find the update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.